Welcome to the Python tutorial. Today we are going to learn how to download file from internet using Python script. I just opened a Python script and now I'm going to import a library which is used to request a URL from internet. So for that I have to use import URL lib, which is URL library dot request. So this library is used to request data from the internet. And in the next line, I'm going to use this library by using URL lib dot request dot URL retrieve. So this URL retrieve is a method inside this URL library. And after that, put the parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis, we have to put the path of your file from internet. So now let's go to the browser and search something which is train. Just click images, just take one picture from and copy this URL link, which is http, and now put here. You have to put the name of your file, which is train.jpg. Now let's run this module again. So here we did not get any error. We have a file in desktop because the Python script is saved on desktop. That's why the file is downloaded on desktop. So here we have a file which is train.jpg. So the file is downloaded where the Python script is saved. So this is the process to download any file from internet using Python script.